Hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power. Before we jump into this week's function and the syntax behind it, let me first just say that if you're interested in supply chain, business, or operations, just go ahead and click down below and hit the subscribe button so you can join the channel. And feel free to check out the links below where we have many different courses that we offer with over 20,000 students worldwide and international around the world. So let's jump into this week's function. And this week we're going to be looking at the today function. And let's just jump over to one of Google's help pages real quick where we can outline the syntax. And it's the today function. So you could see that the syntax is very simple. The today function will return today's date. You can format that differently, and we'll look at that in just a second here. But a few things to note is that it is a volatile function, so it could slow down the performance of your sheet. And it also changes based on edits or sometimes changes depending on how you have that specific sheet change. So be careful with this function today when you use it. You can see in their notes that it provides the current date with no time component. You can also reformat that, and we'll look at that real quick here. So let's jump right in. You can see we've got three examples right here in our formula. A today plus 60, and a today minus 730. So it's important to note that the today function operates or works based on days. So if you're going to add time or subtract time, you need to make sure that they're individual days that you're using. So let's go ahead and get started with an example. And the first one is just our basic today. So we'll go ahead and type that in, open bracket. You can just close it right away. And you see that it will return today's date, which is 3/12/2024. Now, if we go up here and we reformat this, we can change it a little bit, but you'll see it won't have a time. So we're going to go ahead and, just for the purposes of today's video, just show you how you can use the today function. Now, if you have questions about how you can use it with other functions or change it, please feel free to comment down below and we'll do our best to get back to them. Now, what if you're in a situation where you want to calculate today's date, but you want to add 60 days to it and quickly see what that date would be? Well, it's pretty simple. We'd type in today, open, close, and then we would add 60 days since it works in a day format. And you can see it would be May 11th, 2024. Or what if you wanted to see a date that was 2 years ago? So now we're moving backwards. We would simply type in today, open our bracket, close it, and then subtract 730 days, which is 2 years, and it would have been 3/13/2022. So that's the today function. We'll leave some links down in the description below that you can check out with more information on Google Workspace. And if you have questions about this function and this basic introduction, how you could use it with other functions, or you want to figure out how to use the today function in a certain sheet of yours, please feel free to comment down below. We'll do our best to get back to you, and we'll see you next time right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.